Alright, the rules are simple. Dancers dance in the ring for 3 rounds. Viewers first like the video in order for your vote to count, then comment vote who you think won.
Ladies and look at that, the ring girl is in the building. Ring girl is in the building. Everybody give it up for the ring girl. Round 1.
He's gonna walk in here, spin a couple hats, and I was gonna be it, huh? You thought you was gonna mod me with some hat tricks, and I was gonna be done. Nah, boy, it's gonna take a lot more than hat spinning to beat me. Trust me. Special ops, front and center. Let's show these dudes what we do with hats. Let's have a little target practice. Pull! Pull! Let's do multiple targets.
Main event music.
Okay.
We don't pray to people. We don't pray to people. We don't pray to people. Now people say we do. Who no tell this to the you run up, we no big boy fi holla. You know people tell me what this no. Me alone now we hammer, me no company follow. Me no big boy, you gonna be the fool of me swallow. The boy no ban it. When we come to me collar, who la half y'all. You got me such a holla. Tum. Machine tester. Life is so sweet, some sweet like singing from my heart. Me heartbeat fast and me temperature higher. See the bullet but just see the sparks when it fire. Come on your funeral for your fire. Say them a pass but them a come like shh. We don't afraid of people. We don't afraid of people. We don't afraid of people. Now people say we do, you will see what we do.
DJ!
Jarvis, you there? At your service. Gauge heads-up display. Alright, say.
You on the phone? Why you on the phone?
Start the ritual walk around.
Importing preferences and calibrating virtual environment.
Check out control surfaces.
As you wish.
Is it gonna be Nicc? Find out next week. If y'all still there, let me get a PA.
For tickets or info to our next live event and a bunch of other cool stuff, download our free BattleFest app now on your mobile device and tablet.